Okay lang. Sa mga bago kong subscriber ngayon, sobrang swerte natin dahil nakataon na nandito tayo sa Yokohama na pa-bloom pa lang talaga yung cherry blossom. Maraming kasing iba't ibang klaseng cherry blossom. Yung pagkadating ko dito kasi sa Japan, meron isa yung kulay pink. Pero ito kasi yung mas alam natin na cherry blossom, yung nakikita natin sa news, nakikita natin sa postcard. Ganito talaga siya yung itsura niya. Kaya naman mapalad tayo na nandito tayo. Tsaka buti na lang talaga in-invite tayo ng jowa Arko para na-share ko naman sa inyo yung cherry blossom experience ko. I didn't catch it. So, ang maganda kasi dito, yung karamihan ng mga park kasi dito, wala masyadong bayad. Kaya, ang galing, ang mura, wala tayong babayaran. You know, more on talaga sa flowers talaga itong cherry blossom na ito. Sobrang ganda. Pero buti na lang talaga, I was invited with my boyfriend to come over here. So that's why we're here. We're doing a vlog. It's a wonderful experience to share with you. I love that. Hindi ko alam kung yung iba kasi sabi daw late daw yung bloom. 'Di ba sa balita napanood natin, medyo late daw yung bloom. Pero okay lang naman. Iba kasi yung area, iba-iba yung pag-bloom niya. Hindi talaga siya talagang pare-pareho. Pero nung ano kasi pagpunta ko dito, nakasarado pa siya, hindi pa siya bukas. Pero ngayon bukas na. Yung cherry blossom sa Imperial Palace, parang mga ganitong itsura din siya. Ganyan din. Yung pink kasi very rare kasi siya eh. Yung white kasi nakita ko it's everywhere here. But the pink ones are, for me, those are the cherry blossoms that stand out with them. It's the flowers that they have. Me too. I need the toilet as well. Okay, love. Let's have a break first. Toilet break. Back to the vlog.
We'll come back again in the night time as well, so you can do a contrast video.
Oh yeah, definitely, love. I think that's gonna be more interesting.
Maybe.
Look at that.
When we get to the park, you'll see lots of Hanami, like blue sheets out of people having Hanami parties.
Really? Oh my
I
god.
imagine so, yeah. We should do.
Yeah. It's surreal when they are like falling, like the
Cool.
petals. Yeah. Petals, sabi. I'm actually just copying some of this accent. Maybe.
So what you say?
Petals. Is it? But to be honest, love, your English is much more expensive than anyone else. We also have on the other side, but this side is much more people.
Sometimes it's nicer over there.
Yeah. Mm. Yes.
We're coming up to the fox.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, love. Ganda niya, no? It's so beautiful. So yun ba yung HDR or yung ganito lang? Yung tipong pro lang ang gamit? Ayoko kasi yung difference. I-check natin later siguro. Pag chinek natin yung video na nakuha natin. Yeah. Thank you, love. Pag nagagandahan sila sa isang bagay, sabihin nila, ay, kawaii! Kawaii. They say that more often. In fairness, wala pa ako nakikitang Pinoy dito, ha? Sa paglalakad natin ito. Di ba nakikita nyo maraming tao? Kasi ito yung pinaka-popular na cherry blossom area dito sa Yokohama. Try kong mag-upload sa Reels. Tama, cinematic. Gawa tayong cinematic. Pero mga one times. Ang gamit ko ngayon is 4K cinematic option ng iPhone. Tsaka yung isa ko is GoPro. Titingnan natin kung may pagkakait mo silang dalawa. Ito isa kasi yung 60 minutes. No. 60 seconds. Pang ano kasi siya? Pang Reels. Kasi yung isa kong page, okay na kasi siya for Reels. Ay, no. For bonus. Kaya mag-upload tayo para doon. Iba yung ano niya, yung itsura niya pag full bloom. Instead na ano siya, dahon. Ayan. Bulaklak siya. Hello, love. In operation pa pala yung ano ko, yung Osmo